What if you could use your technical background, work with engineers daily, and shape products used by millions of people, without writing code every single day? What if you could use your technical background, work with engineers daily, and shape products used by millions of people, without writing code every single day? That is what technical product managers do. And they are among the highest compensated professionals in the technology industry worldwide. Here's everything you need to know. Technical product management sits at the intersection of engineering, business strategy, and user experience. You are essentially the decision maker for your product, setting direction and making trade-offs that affect users and revenue. What you actually do every day: you define product roadmaps. You prioritize which features get built next. You work with engineers on technical architecture decisions. You analyze user behavior data. You communicate product strategy to company leadership. You are the bridge between technical teams and business stakeholders. Why does this role pay so well? Poor product decisions cost millions of dollars. Great product managers can multiply a company's growth. Companies pay well for that level of judgment. The skill combination is also rare. You need technical depth, business understanding, empathy for users, and strong communication. Most people are good at one or two. TPMs must be strong across all of them. Is this a good path if you are already an engineer? Absolutely. Many engineers make this transition after 3 to 5 years of coding. You bring real technical credibility. You understand engineering constraints from the inside. You can evaluate technical trade-offs in a way that pure business people cannot. That background is genuinely valuable. What new skills do you need to develop? User research, product analytics, market awareness, stakeholder communication, and presentation skills. One thing to consider honestly: you will be accountable for outcomes but will not directly control the work. You will spend significant time in meetings. Collaboration is the job. Success is measured in product impact, not lines of code shipped. If that sounds energizing rather than frustrating, this could be the right path for you. Technical product management offers the ideal combination of technology and strategy, with compensation matching senior engineering roles. Our TPM Career Transition Program teaches you product thinking, stakeholder management, and how to land your first PM role. The link is in the description. Subscribe for alternative tech careers that pay just as well as traditional engineering.